Hello students, welcome to banking classes. Dear students, we have finished chapter 1 and today I am going to start unit 2, that is my banker and customer. Relationship between banker and customer. That means what should be the relationship of banker with their customer? We will discuss here. The relationship between a banker and customer depends on the activities, that is products or services provided by bank to its customers or availed by the customers. यानी बैंक कस्टमर को क्या देता है और कस्टमर बैंक को क्या देता है. Thus, the relationship between a banker and customer is the transactional relationship. That means क्या transactions करते हो. Bank's business depends on the strong bondage with the customer. Trust plays an important role in building healthy relationship between a banker and customer. So dear students, this you might have understood. Relationship between the bank and customer. The relationship between the banker and customer is very important. It is generally studied under the following two heads. पहला general relationship and दूसरा special relationship. अब बेटा general relationship between debtor and creditor. This is very, very important. The basic relationship between banker and customer is primarily that of a debtor and creditor. When customer deposits money in a bank, customer ने बैंक में पैसा जमा कराया, बैंक becomes the debtor क्योंकि बैंक ने रिसीव किया है, and customer is the creditor. कस्टमर ने प्रोडक्ट बैंक को दिया है. अब कस्टमर क्रेडिटर क्यों है? बिकॉज कस्टमर विल डिमांड मनी फ्रॉम द बैंक लेटर ऑन. द कस्टमर एक्सपेक्ट्स फ्रॉम द बैंक दैट हिज मनी विल बी केप्ट सेफ बाय द बैंक एंड इट विल बी रिटर्न टू हिम ऑन डिमांड विद इन बिजनेस आवर अलॉन्ग विद इंटरेस्ट. इसका मतलब ये है जो कस्टमर का डिपॉजिट बैंक के पास है तो बैंक is a creditor to the extent of that particular amount. The position is reversed as soon as banker advances loan to the customer. अब बेटा क्या हो गया? अब बैंक ने लोन दिया है कस्टमर को तो अब क्या हो गया? बैंकर बिकम्स क्रेडिटर एंड कस्टमर डेटर. अब बेटा इसमें क्या होगा? क्योंकि अब बैंक ने लोन दिया है तो बैंक उससे वापस चाहेगा, यानी banker become creditor and customer becomes the debtor. So beta, this was the general relationship between bank and customer. Now dear students, we have one very important relationship, that is special relationships, principal and agent. A special relationship between customer and the banker is that of principal and agent. Customer, principal, deposits checks, drafts, dividend warrants for collection with the bank. He also gives written instructions to the bank to purchase security, pay insurance premium, installment of loans, etc. on this behalf. When the bank performs such agency services, he becomes an agent of his customer. तो बेटा कस्टमर प्रिंसिपल है और बैंक एजेंट है. Why bank is agent? Because bank is a connecting link between the customer and outside parties. So there is a principal agent relationship between bank and customer. And now dear students, pledger and pledgee. When customer pledges मतलब promises certain assets or securities with the bank in order to get a loan. अब बेटा क्या हो गया? कस्टमर ने कोई सामान गिरवी रखी बैंक के पास तो कस्टमर बिकम्स द प्लेजर क्योंकि उसने अपना गिरवी रखा है, एंड बैंक बिकम्स द प्लेजी यानी बैंक के पास गिरवी रखा है. अंडर दिस एग्रीमेंट द एसेट्स ऑफ सिक्योरिटी विल रिमेन विद द बैंक अंटिल द कस्टमर रीपेज द लोन. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड जनरल रिलेशनशिप एंड अंडर स्पेशल रिलेशनशिप प्रिंसिपल एंड एजेंट, pledger and pledgee. So you are advised to note down in your register. That's all for today. Thank you.